Do you get a buzz out of buying something? Do you feel a tinge of excitement out of buying? You feel good? If you do that, then actually your brain is producing dopamine. This is the same rush which you get when you eat chocolate or do some exciting work. Lockdown had forced people to rely on internet to have their regular retail dopamine hits. In fact, there was a sale of $4 trillion which happened in 2020, which was 3 times more than the previous year numbers. The shopping is going through a radical shift right now, and pandemic has speeded it up. All the retailers have been forced to adapt and innovate. But driving this revolution is actually you, or to be specific, your data. If you're buying products in 1960s, you would have got more personalized service. That means if you wanted to buy a suit, you can go to the suit maker, they would have taken your specification and the delivery would happen as per your specification. Then the industrialization came, the time of mass production. The products become cheaper but lot less personalized. The distribution also became very tricky. The factories had to deliver the products to a nearby warehouse which will be closer to the customers. And those warehouses were called the shops. Customers were limited to choose their products from the nearby shops. If they wanted something, they had to compromise or they had to be convinced with the options available in the nearby stores. With the advent of time, there comes the malls and supermarkets. But everything got changed when internet came. The shopper has more choices than ever, and it was up to the producer or the retailer to offer to the consumer what they want and when they want. If you think about a scenario 20-30 years back, if a brand wanted to reach to the consumer, they had to produce a glossy ads. But now, consumer is in the driving seat. Who can take the shot? What's cool and what's not cool? By social media posts, by reviews, and by influence by the influencer. The radical shift of shopping was led by China. In 1999, Jack Ma established the company called Alibaba, which had changed the shopping experience in China. A lot of things has happened in last 20 years. But one thing I wanted to highlight today is the concept of live streaming. There are a lot of live streamers in China who have millions of fan following in their social media. They utilize their fans to consume some of the products like beauty products or health products. They make that sale happen. Live streaming is used thoroughly for e-commerce in China. All these innovations of China had made China the world leader in e-commerce. But what was advantage in China may not be an advantage in other countries, because in China consumers were ready to share their data because those data was the feeding point for the next revolution of Alibaba. But in Western country or many other countries, they are having a lot of regulations to share data. Data can be utilized to produce meaningful insight to provide you a personalized service. That's all for today. I want to cover many more in the coming episodes. Thank you for watching the video. I'm Sandeep Hajra, an e-commerce evangelist. If you have liked the video, you can give a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. You can also press the bell icon for future notifications.